Shane, two questions. One, Piaggio for the Piaggio Group for 2020 has some exciting things this year.
Absolutely, yeah. We've got a few different brands on the floor here at the motorcycle shows, and we're most excited about the new V85 here behind us, and RSV4 1100 factory. We got some new stuff going for 2020 there as well. All of them will be at the motorcycle shows through the duration, and you know, across the brands, there's just new model platforms and new stuff coming each year. So as we move to Euro 5, I think we're seeing a lot of good stuff.
When people come and see Piaggio, they're always excited about new things that are coming. If they're not familiar with Piaggio, what's it all about?
Yeah, well, I mean, across the
all
brands,
different lifestyles, yes?
Yeah, absolutely. It's two-wheel Italian, so some manufacturers are owned by automotive branches or shared with side-by-sides and things like that. Piaggio Group, all Italian, Piaggio, Vespa, Moto Guzzi, Aprilia.
Love it.
And you got sport bikes, you got cruisers, you've got adventure stuff, and more utilitarian transport like scooter stuff on the other side, so all good stuff.
Shane, thank you very much. Exciting year for Piaggio.